Hey Alice, I've been hearing a lot about choosing the right machine learning model, but how do you actually do it? There are so many options.
Great question, Bob. Picking the right model is like choosing the right outfit for an occasion. It depends on a few key factors.
I love the analogy. So, what's the first factor?
First up is the type of problem you're solving. Is it classification, where you sort data into categories, or regression, where you're predicting a continuous value?
So, kind of like deciding if I'm dressing for a formal event or a casual outing?
Exactly! For classification, you'd use models like decision trees, support vector machines, or neural networks. For regression, you might go for linear regression, random forest regressors, or neural networks.
Got it. What's next?
The next factor is the size and quality of your data. Some models handle large datasets better, while others shine with smaller, high-quality data.
Like choosing an outfit based on the weather, light clothes for a hot day, layers for a cold one?
Spot on! For large datasets, consider models like deep learning models. For smaller datasets, simpler models like k-nearest neighbors or logistic regression might work better.
Interesting. Any other factors?
Yes, there's also interpretability. How important is it to understand how your model makes decisions?
So, like deciding if I need to look fashionable or just feel comfortable?
Exactly! Models like decision trees and linear regression are easier to interpret, while models like deep neural networks are more of a black box.
That makes sense. What about the last factor?
Think about computational resources. Do you have the computing power to train complex models?
So, like choosing an outfit based on how much time I have to get ready?
Precisely! Simpler models like logistic regression or decision trees are quick to train, while complex models like neural networks require more computational power and time.
Alice, you've made selecting a machine learning model sound like a fun fashion challenge.
I'm glad to hear that, Bob. Remember, it's all about finding the right fit for your specific problem and resources.
I feel much more confident now.
We can watch videos on machine learning topics from the YouTube channel Computing for All and discuss the topics in detail.
I'd love that. Thanks, Alice.